The stop safely, vehicle will shut off soon warning is a critical safety feature in Jeep vehicles designed to prevent severe engine or transmission damage. This warning system was implemented in Jeep models from 2014 onward, affecting vehicles like the Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, and Cherokee. The warning activates when critical failures are detected in three main systems: engine management, transmission systems, and electrical systems. Low oil pressure is one of the most common triggers. When oil pressure sensors detect dangerously low levels, the system activates to prevent engine damage. Transmission overheating is another major trigger. When transmission fluid temperature exceeds safe limits, the warning activates to prevent costly transmission damage. Electrical system failures, particularly alternator problems and PCM communication errors, can also trigger the warning when critical power or data systems fail. When the warning triggers, the system follows a specific shutdown sequence. It displays the warning message, automatically activates hazard lights, progressively reduces engine power, and forces complete shutdown within 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Recent updates in 2024 and beyond include enhanced diagnostic protocols to reduce false positives and regular software updates for the powertrain control module to address known trigger conditions. When the stop safely warning appears, your immediate response is critical for safety. Here's exactly what you need to do in the first few minutes. After ensuring your safety, the next step is performing initial diagnostics to identify the problem. Start by checking your vehicle's fluid levels and looking for obvious signs of damage. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. This tool connects to your vehicle's computer system and provides specific error codes that help identify the exact problem. Based on extensive data analysis, here are the most common causes of the stop safely warning. Oil system failures account for 35% of cases, making them the leading cause. Here's a failed oil pressure sensor, one of the most common culprits. When this sensor malfunctions, it can trigger false warnings even when oil pressure is actually normal. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. Simple sensor replacements typically cost between $150 and $300, while more complex repairs can reach several $1,000s. Some repairs involve software updates to the powertrain control module. This process downloads updated software from the manufacturer and reprograms the vehicle's computer system. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance is your best defense against the stop safely warning. Follow these maintenance intervals to keep your Jeep running reliably. Remember, 85% of stop safely warnings are resolved on the first repair attempt when properly diagnosed. Don't ignore this warning. It's designed to protect your engine and transmission from catastrophic damage.